How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about the trades I took today. A very nice day trading for me. I did have one losing trade at the end that I will cover as well. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any upcoming videos. Trade I want to talk about is the put entry. I call this out inside team bull. So we came up. I got the chart bare because I want to talk about price action a little more. We came up, nice push up, nice wick up. So that's what I want to see when looking for a put entry. I like to see long wicks up. Then we had this bearish candle form here, some indecision there as well. I entered here. My stop loss was above this candle, caught the move down. Very nice trade. Worked out perfectly. Another admin at Team Bull was in this trade as well. I love when we have double confirmation like that. Now let's talk about the trade that I lost on. Then I want to talk about a futures trade that I took. So this was my main reject area on my watch list. So we got back in puts here. Actually, right in this area is where I got my feel for puts. 434 puts. I was using tomorrow's expiration. Anytime I trade later in the day, I don't use same day. I go out further in expiration. Got in. We pulled back. At one point, we was up roughly 10%. My trend was going to be down here at this 433.8. We never got it. Come up. At first, my stop loss was going to be that 434.61. Super tight stop loss. But I said that doesn't make sense because that is a previous high. It could very well reject there. And that was not the case. Come up, broke it, pulled back a little, continued on. Ended up stopping me out at roughly $20 per contract. So I gave back $400 of my profits on the day in this trade. But I'm up really nice. My futures trading accounts are doing amazing. It's a really good day overall. Now let's talk about the futures trade. Okay, so I have this drawn out for everyone. You probably see me post this on my Instagram story, but let's talk about it. So this was pre-market. I trade futures pre-market occasionally if the setup's right. So you can see we come up here, pre-market, come back down, come back up, retested this area again. Some indecision here. I took my position here because I had a solid stop loss, very good risk to reward. My price target was this 436.76. Stop loss was up here at 4381.75. As you can see here, got in short, took the move down, worked out perfect. And you're probably wondering, like, how do you know when to stop out? If it was to break that high here, that would have invalidated the trade. Probably would have continued on up. As you can see, it did when it broke here. Had a nice move up. That definitely would have been rough on the funded accounts for those that traded on funded accounts. But that's basically it. Again, here, let's just go over this really quickly. We came up, wasn't a huge increase in volume. I know it is pre-market, so volume can be lower, right? Indecision, got in, stop loss set. What I'm trying to point out here, what's important when you're trading is having an exact game plan and watching price action, okay? You've got to learn these three things, okay? If you want to make money day trading, you have to learn price action, volume, and risk management. Write them down, study them. It's very important when you're day trading, or any kind of trading for that matter. But that's basically it for this video. If you have any questions, always feel free to hit me up. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.